As a futurist, it's my job to look ahead, so every year, I cover the emerging tech trends that will be shaping our digital world in the next 12 months. What technologies are gaining the most traction? What are the most important trends that business leaders should be prepared for? 1. AI everywhere. In 2023, artificial intelligence will become real in organizations. No-code AI, with its easy drag-and-drop interfaces, will enable any business to leverage its power to create more intelligent products and services. We are already seeing this trend in the retail market. Stitch Fix uses AI-enabled algorithms to recommend clothes to its customers that match their sizes and tastes. Contactless, autonomous shopping and delivery will also be a huge trend for 2023. AI will make it easier for consumers to pay for and receive goods and services. AI will also augment nearly every job in every business process across industries. More retailers will use AI to manage and automate the complex inventory management processes that happen behind the scenes, so convenience trends like Buy Online Pickup at Curbside, BOPAC, Buy Online Pickup in Store, BOPIS, and Buy Online Return in Store, BORIS, will become standard. 2 parts of the metaverse will become real. I don't particularly care for the term metaverse, but it's become shorthand for a more immersive internet where we will be able to work, play, and socialize on a persistent platform. Experts predict that the metaverse will add $5 trillion to the global economy by 2030, and 2023 will be the year that defines the direction of the metaverse for the next decade. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technology will continue to advance. One area to watch is the work environment in the metaverse. In 2023, I predict that we will have more immersive meeting environments where we can talk, brainstorm, and co-create together. In fact, Microsoft and NVIDIA are already developing metaverse platforms for collaborating on digital projects. We will also see more advanced avatar technology in the new year. An avatar, the presence we project as we engage with other users in the metaverse, could look exactly like we do in the real world, and motion capture will even enable our avatars to adopt our unique body language and gestures. We also might see further development in AI-enabled autonomous avatars that can act as our representatives in the metaverse, even if we are not logged into the digital world. Companies are already using metaverse technology like AR and VR to conduct training and onboarding, and this trend will accelerate in 2023. Consulting giant Accenture has already created a metaverse environment called the Nth Floor. This virtual world features replicas of real-world Accenture offices, so new hires and current employees can carry out HR-related tasks without needing to be present in a physical office. 3. Progress in Web 3. Blockchain technology will also advance significantly in 2023 as companies create more decentralized products and services. For example, at the moment, we are storing everything in the cloud, but if we decentralize data storage and encrypt that data using blockchain, our information will not only be safer, but we will have innovative ways to access and analyze it. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, will become more usable and practical in the new year. For example, NFT tickets to concerts will potentially give you access to backstage experiences and memorabilia. NFTs might be the keys we use to interact with many of the digital products and services we buy, or they could represent contracts we enter into with other parties. 4. Bridging the digital and physical world. We are already seeing an emerging bridge between the digital and physical worlds, and this trend will continue in 2023. There are 2 components of this merger: digital twin technology and 3D printing. Digital twins are virtual simulations of real-world processes, operations, or products that can be used to test new ideas in a safe digital environment. Designers and engineers are using digital twins to recreate physical objects inside virtual worlds, so they can test under every conceivable condition without the high costs of real-life experiments. In 2023, we will see even more digital twins, from factories to machinery to cars to precision healthcare. After testing in the virtual world, engineers can tweak and edit components, then create them in the real world using 3D printing technology. For example, Formula One teams currently collect data transmitted from sensors during races, as well as race track temperatures and weather conditions, to see how cars change during races. Then they stream the data from the sensors to digital twins of the engines and car components and run scenarios to make design changes on the fly. The teams then 3D print car parts based on the results of their testing. 5. Quantum progress. Right now, there is a worldwide race to develop quantum computing at scale. Quantum computing, which uses subatomic particles to create new ways of processing and storing information, is a technological leap that's expected to bring us computers capable of operating 1 trillion times more quickly than the fastest traditional processors available today. The potential danger of quantum computing is that it could render our current encryption practices useless, so any nation that develops quantum computing at scale could break the encryption of other nations, businesses, security systems, and more. This is a trend to watch carefully in 2023 as countries like the US, UK, China, and Russia pour money into developing quantum computing technology.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.